What's up guys, we're here and today we'll be cleaning the Montero Sport. So due to COVID-19, we're pretty much stuck at our homes and I know it could be pretty much boring, especially if you don't know what to do. So here's one thing that you could do during the lockdown, and that is to clean your car. So now is a great time to clean your car, especially if you're using it during the pandemic. So cleaning your car will not only make it look good, but also be safe to use. And pretty much you have much more time to clean your car. So you should clean everything from your interior to the exterior to your engine bay, your wheel wells, and if you might want as well, clean your under chassis. So before we start with the exterior, we'll start with the interior first. So for cleaning the interior, the first thing you should do is to declutter your car. So remove everything inside your car, for example like pillows, spare of clothes, left bottled waters, and whatever you might have inside your car. You should remove them before we start cleaning the interior. Aside from that, you should also take out trashes from your glove box, your compartment, or even on the pockets of your door. So you better check those out first and remove the big trash out of the car. After decluttering your car of your stuff, we're now going to remove our floor liners or your floor mats. Ooh, Christmas gift. So after putting them away, it's time to vacuum the interior. So make sure you thoroughly clean every area of your interior. Make sure you get to those tight spots using a narrow vacuum head, especially the area between your seat and the center console, as those are prone with small pieces of food if you eat in your car. Make sure to get them out there and just go over every inch of your interior, getting those dust and whatever kind of dirt out of there. It will be also better if you have the vacuum head with the brush, as it will like agitate the carpet and making sure that you really remove those hard dirt that like got stuck in there. You could also go and shampoo your carpet with like a special interior cleaner, but in my case they're all good and doesn't need for that one, so I'll skip that for now. So if you have the tools or like materials, then you should go for it as well. So after doing the vacuum, it's time to wipe your interior with your interior cleaner and a microfiber towel cloth. So same as with the vacuum, make sure you go thoroughly to every inch of your like dashboard, seats, a door, especially the areas that you touch, like for example the steering wheel, the shift knob, gear knob, door handles, and whatsoever that you touch in your car. So make sure you clean them as well, like totally clean. A little tip on cleaning aircon vents: grab your microfiber towel, use the edge or just fold it and just squeeze it in on the vents to wipe the dust off. So once we're done with the interior, you wipe every areas that you touch. It's now time to clean our floor mats or floor liners. So in my case, we have floor liners, so it's just easy. You just like wet them down, use soap, then scrub the dirt away and rinse it, and then detail it. So if you have a floor mat like the traditional one, the common one, you just vacuum it and put it back in your car. After putting them back on, we could now enjoy our safe and clean interior. So now it's time to clean our exterior. So for cleaning the exterior, we'll do a 2 bucket method. So 1 bucket is for your rinsing, so it's just plain water, while the other is your car shampoo bucket. So aside from the 2 buckets, we'll be also using a microfiber wash mitt. This is way better than using a sponge, as sponge could scratch your paint. So there's an order in cleaning your car. So we'll start at the top section of the car, going down to the very bottom of the car. In this way, we'll prevent the dirt from going up and scratching our paint. So after cleaning the whole body, we're gonna clean the wheels. Once we're done with everything, it's time to rinse it off and dry it with a microfiber drying towel. So using a microfiber drying towel will prevent the cars from getting more scratches compared to using a drying chamois or chamois or whatever or however you pronounce it. So after drying your car, you could apply your preferred wax to keep your paint protected from bird poop, watermarks, or even the harsh sunlight. Aside from applying wax, you could also apply plastic trim restorer on plastic trims. So this is to prevent them from looking white or faded and restore the original black look. So after cleaning our interior, exterior, now it's time to clean our engine bay. So in this video, I won't be showing a how-to or a in-depth guide on how to clean your engine bay. I have a separate video on that, you could check it out. So there will be like a link on the upper right corner of this video, so just check that out for an in-depth guide on how to clean your engine bay. So basically, you want to keep your engine bay clean as well, so that if ever you came across a problem on it, you could easily spot where the issue is, especially if that is a leaking issue. So after cleaning your engine bay, it's time to clean your wheel wells. So jack up your car, remove the tires, and clean basically everything that you could reach on there. So in this video, I'll be just showing short clips on how I cleaned the wheel wells of our Toyota Innova. So I just use a dishwashing liquid on a spray bottle and a Scotch Brite because the mud are like really tough to remove. So a reason why you want to clean them is to remove the mud that could hold moisture and eventually lead to rust on your chassis or whatever metal parts are under there. So once you're done with everything, you could now enjoy the most rewarding part, and that is to admire your work.